Hello everyone, I'm Adrian. I'm a senior consultant with Dimension Data Canada, and I would like to show you today how to change the network adapter type in case you are doing a refresh upgrade to Call Manager 10. For that purpose, you will find out from the documentation that, and I have here open upgrade guide for CUCM 10.x on page 43. So if you go to this guide, you will see that there are some virtual machine configuration changes that should be done, and one of that it's the guest operating system, and I would like to stress out the fact that starting with Call Manager 10, that would be Linux 6 on 64-bit, so that's something you need to consider. And the next one is network adapter. It's VMX Net 3 compared to Flexible that has been used by the previous versions. So those are two important parameters. I'm not saying that that's all. You will check the documentation and you will see what you have to change. So I came across to this, and I know I have to change the network adapter, and that's what I want to focus on today. For that purpose, I have my lab set up here. And what I also encourage you to do, so documentation will tell you what you need to change. I would encourage you to deploy an OVA template for the upgraded version of Call Manager, and then you can compare against the initial one, the ones you want to upgrade. And that's what I will start. So I have Call Manager 9.11 here. Subscriber. I will demo this on my subscriber virtual machine. If I right click, edit settings, I will see, I can check the network adapter type, it's flexible, and it should be VMX Net 3 as per documentation, so that should be changed. Also, if I go on options tab, I see the guest operating system is Linux 5 32-bit, so that should be changed to Linux 6 64-bit as well. And here is my OVA template deployed, like an empty OVA template deployed for Call Manager 10. You can see how is that coming if you go with a fresh install and network adapter. This is the type how it's coming, and that's what Cisco recommends, so you have to change it to that value. And operating system, guest operating system, it's Linux 6 64-bit. So those should be changed. How you do that? The README file for the OVA template for Call Manager 10 will have a section modifying the network adapter. And in order to modify, you need to confirm whether the existing network adapter is configured with a manual or automatic MAC address, because the procedure will differ based on that. So let's go back to my Call Manager 9.11 subscriber, right click, edit option, network adapter, and I can see MAC address configure automatic. So in this case, based on documentation, I can use option A. Before doing that, let me quickly cover, if you have that the MAC address configured manually, it's much easier. You just need to turn off the virtual machine, save the MAC address, configure, delete the network adapter, add a new one, and use the save MAC address, and you are good to go. There is a third option as an alternative to both A and B, manual and automatic, which uses a Power CLI from vSphere. You need to have that client installed on your laptop. You need to have the proper license on your ESXi host, and also you need to have some rights on your local machine. I plan to demo that one as well, but I don't have those rights. I have the clients installed, the VMware vSphere Power CLI, but I can't use it because of some rights. At least as of now, I look into that. So let's go forward. As I mentioned, I need to use option A because I identify my Mac, it's set up automatic. So what I need to do, I need to identify the VMX file of the virtual machine I want to upgrade, download it to my local machine, and then I'll edit and upload it back. for that purpose, I'm going here. So it's Call Manager 911 subscriber. Let's go on the ESXi host. Data store 1 is where I have the virtual machines. I need to browse it in order to find that file. And just increase this window. And I'm looking for Call Manager 911 subscriber and the VMX file for that machine, and it's right here. So to download, right click, select download, point it to the folder. I have a folder, temporary folder, network adapter change, ready for this temporary work, and I save it. If I open that folder, I should see the VMX file being saved there, and I can see it there. So next step is to make a backup copy of that VMX file in case something goes wrong. You can revert back from that backup copy. So here's the command to be used. I will save it on a notepad and I'll capture the exact name of my virtual machine from the VMX file to edit those that copy command. So this would be the real name of my virtual machine. I need to edit, actually to make a backup first and then edit. Okay, so to do that I will need to use the command prompt and be on the same folder where my VMX file is. Right, so for that purpose I will open a command prompt and I need to point it to the folder where I saved that VMX file. So change directory to desktop, change directory to temp work, and change directory to network adapter change. If I type there, it will show me what files I do have on that folder, and I can see the VMX. So I am on the right folder. Now I just need to create that backup copy by running this command. How do I have to there? So I am on the right one. Paste, and I see one file copy. If I go on that file, now I see my backup file, it's saved there. So I can go ahead and modify. So I need to add some configuration to the end of the VSML file by running these 3 commands on my command prompt. So let me copy them on the notepad, change the name of the virtual machine to the real one, and then input them one by one. So this is the real name. Okay, and one more time. And done. Okay, so run the first one. Control C. Paste it on command prompt. I see one file copied. I can check on the folder and I see a temporary file, because that's what I copied, my VMX, the temporary VMX. Now I'm editing that one. So I need to run the second command, and there are no errors, so that is fine. And then the third command, you just paste it here, and now my VMX file is edited. So next step, I have to upload this file on the same folder. Then I need to remove the machine from inventory and bring it back, add it to inventory using the updated VMX, which will bring the network adapter, the new one. Okay, so to do that, I have the data store open. here is the folder where my CallManager 911 subscriber it is, and I will need to upload the edited VMX configuration file from my network adapter change. So this is my edited file, open, save, and it will override the existing one. Once that is done, I need to remove CallManager 911 subscriber from inventory and add it back using the edited updated VMX. So remove from, don't click on delete from this, because that will delete the whole virtual machine and all the files. So just remove from inventory, and to add it, you go on your data store. It's on a CallManager subscriber. You have the VMX file, the updated one. Right click, add to inventory. Name, I will say subscriber, so it picks the name. That's my XXI host. Next, finish, and I should have the machine re-added to my inventory, and that is the one. And now if I right click on it, edit settings, I should confirm that my network adapter is VMX Net 3, and that's the case. So that's how you change the network adapter. For operating system, that's very easy. You just select Options tab. Once your VM machine is turned off, you scroll up here to select the Linux 6 64-bit. OK. And now your virtual machine is ready for upgrade. You can turn it on and go from there. So that's what I wanted to demo to you today. I thank you for watching, and I hope that was informative for you. Thank you.